14 amazing and mind-blowing gadgets on Amazon. A gadget that will make you interact with virtual objects. Or what about this amazing mind-blowing gadget? Well, that's not all, because in today's video, we're going to show you some very interesting gadgets. Airgood Wireless Portable Range Hood. Make traditional venting in the kitchen a history by replacing with the Airgood Wireless Portable Range Hood. This beautiful range hood reduces cooking odors and oil residue from forming. Most importantly, it does the job with a fancy design you'd actually want to highlight. Along with this, you also get the option of purchasing additional accessories. These could be among 3 options: base boost, spare oil filters, and spare charcoal filters. With dual filter technology, a portable design, quiet operational mode, and 3 speed settings, this portable range hood is totally one of a kind. Namdek X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector. Take the Namdek X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector with you wherever you go. Blending impressive technology and gorgeous aesthetics, it has a custom build by Harman Kardon, sure to produce pleasurable audio. It also emits a 100 projection for movies anywhere. Designed for entertainment on the go, it has a built-in battery and cable-free design with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Moreover, this 2-in-1 full HD projector has control knobs, reminiscent of analog gadgets in hi-fi style. Blending leather and metal elements, it draws inspiration from light and shadow. Poplex Keyport Digital Me Key e-Business Card. Stop carrying wasteful paper business cards when you go for the Poplex Keyport Digital Me Key e-Business Card. This electronic business card is a more modern way to share your information. In fact, this NFC-enabled, Keyport-compatible alternative is so compact that it's even more convenient than a stack of cards. Measuring only 2.76 x 0.59 x 0.4, it weighs under 0.1 ounces, so it's easy to keep in your pocket or on your keychain. Moreover, use it to make a great impression on your new client, build your business, and share your contact details with ease. LuxBidit Neo 320 Plus Warm Water Bidit. Enjoy a total clean experience with the LuxBidit Neo 320 Plus Warm Water Bidit. Offering dual wash nozzles, it also has a mode selection knob and lever, so you can adjust the water temperature and pressure to your liking. This warm water model has an advanced 360 degrees self-clean mode, and its easy lift design makes it easier to clean. Plus, it has a super fast slide-in installation. You'll enjoy how it looks with its hinge covers, and it also has a wide access guard gate as well as a nozzle guard gate. Dog-E Smart Robot Dog. Bring home a lifelike robot dog in the form of the Dog-E Smart Robot Dog. This dog has an app-controlled design with unique, lifelike movements. Additionally, it can easily sense your touch, hear your touch, and comes with a companion app to track needs, save profiles, and teach tricks. There are also unique combinations of colorful lights as well as a POV, persistence of vision, tail displaying messages. Most importantly, this robot comes with a mentee just for you, so that no two are ever alike. Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus Coffee Thermos. Keep your drink warm in the Ember Travel Mug 2 Plus Coffee Thermos. But it does more than that. It also works with the Apple Find My network, so you'll never misplace your thermos again. With this connectivity, it alerts iOS and Mac users if they leave it behind. On the outside, it looks the same as the Travel Mug 2, but its internal hardware offers more. In fact, you'll actually see it show up in your app. Plus, you can even locate it via your Apple Watch. MSI Pen 2 Unibody ID Design Stylus Transitions. Write easily on paper and transition seamlessly on a digital surface with the MSI Pen 2 Unibody ID Design Stylus. This stylus comes with a graphite tip, which is what makes the transition so easy and effortless. Additionally, the stylus supports Microsoft MPP 2.6 haptic feedback. It also provides a realistic writing experience. Moreover, because of the graphite tips, you can easily use this stylus to write on paper and also erase if necessary. It can also work on touchscreens effortlessly, without any scratches. SwitchBot Meter Plus Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor. Checking temperature and humidity at a glance just got easier with the SwitchBot Meter Plus Smart Temperature and Humidity Monitor. It comes with a 3-inch LCD display to help make viewing even easier. Additionally, there's also a durable stand and magnet that allows you to place your meter anywhere. Most importantly, the monitor can get real-time alerts and reminders regarding indoor temperature and humidity. EcoFlow Glacier Portable Refrigerator. Travel in luxury when you have the EcoFlow Glacier Portable Refrigerator. or at least it'll feel like luxury travel when you pull out freshly frozen ice cubes. An innovative product, it includes both a plug-in battery and an ice maker. So whether you go camping or to the beach, it gives you those comforts you love. You can even use it at home to make your backyard BBQs that much better. Offering an option of direct solar charging, this gadget keeps your food chilled to the right temperatures and your drinks nice and cold wherever you go. Amarillo Artemis Cloud Drive. Quickly recover files you lost with the Amarillo Artemis Cloud Drive. This flash drive with auto backup lets you access data stored on the cloud. Crafted with a metal casing and a key loop, it has automatic USB to cloud backup. Moreover, it boasts 32 GB local storage and USB 2.0 speed. Furthermore, with 256-bit military-grade encryption, it works with Windows and will soon work with macOS. With Artemis, you get the best of both worlds. Simply plug it in and your files move to the cloud. LG Cord Zero and 9 compressor with steam power mop. Present your home in the best way possible with the LG Cord Zero and 9 compressor with steam power mop. This versatile gadget is both a stick vacuum and a mop with a steam power nozzle. Not only does it provide wet and steam mopping, but it also has an all-in-one tower docking station. There the vacuum remains stored and charged, and it automatically empties itself. Gives you an effective and convenient mopping experience. It requires no detergent to clean your floors. Formlabs 3D printing automation ecosystem. Save on labor and cost per part when you have the Formlabs 3D printing automation ecosystem. Altogether, it includes Form Auto, Fleet Control, and the high-volume resin system. Designed to help you increase your productivity while lowering costs, it lets you print around the clock. In fact, these three products together allow for high productivity 3D printing at scale. Not only will you reduce your cost per part, but you'll also improve your experience of managing multiple desktop stereolithography printers. PhonoQuad. PhonoQuader is simple, radical, and disruptive. It's a hovering smartphone case. We utilize downward force engineering with a pinch of physics to produce lift and hover. Lock your phone inside and just let go. PhonoQuad will hover stable and steady in mid-air, enabling hands-free phone functionality. PhonoQuad instantly converts your smartphone, iOS or Android, into a compact, durable, and foldable drone. With Lesstronics' proprietary voice recognition software, you'll be able to control PhonoQuad via Bluetooth AirPods. Haptex Gloves G1. The magic of Haptex is air, generated quietly and efficiently by the powerful new air pack. Inside the gloves are hundreds of microfluidic actuators that physically displace your skin, so when you touch and interact with virtual objects, the objects feel real. A flexible, integrated tendon system applies up to 40 pounds of resistive force per hand, so you feel the size and shape of virtual objects. The magnetic motion capture system tracks 30 degrees of freedom per hand with sub-millimeter precision and no perceivable latency. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.